Title: Stock Market Investing. Subtitle: A complete beginner's guide to build your passive income with the best proven strategies and techniques in stocks and dividend investing, risk management, trader psychology. Written by Mark Warren Anderson. Narrated by Aurelius Goldman. Part 1. Stock Market Investing. Introduction. Before you get all excited about diving into this and putting it into action, I need to stop you in your tracks. You can't just jump in with both feet and start opening online brokerage accounts and trading away. It doesn't work that way. You have to make sure that you have the preliminary steps out of the way. Otherwise, you're simply doing things randomly, and you're doing things based on emotion. While I appreciate the fact that you are excited about this whole venture, it's too easy to trade impulsively. It's too easy to make investment decisions that aren't based on facts. It's crucial that you make sure that you have the basics out of the way so you can increase your chances of being successful in stock trading. Please pay attention to the following questions. They will help you get prepared properly for your journey into stock trading. Do you have the time to research? Make no mistake about it. When it comes to stock trading, you have to research, and you have to do it right. This takes time. Most people think they know how to research, but it turns out that they have no clue. You have to give yourself the time and the space to do adequate research on the stocks that you will be buying or research on stock trading strategies. There are certain strategies that don't require you to research the stock. You only need to pay attention to the volume and trader activity in that stock. The key question here is whether you have the time to do proper research on whatever trading strategy you're going to be pursuing so you can increase your chances of being successful. Are you curious enough? A lot of people read books because they're desperate for information. They just look at books to solve a problem. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, but if you really want to take things to a much higher level as far as your trading success goes, you have to be curious. You can't just look for information. You also have to pay attention to the implications. You also have to be curious as to how to connect the dots and whether knowing one piece of information can lead to another piece of information. That's how you can learn powerful strategies in no time at all. It all depends on your curiosity. For people who aren't curious, all of this can be a chore. It can be a hassle for them. Their hearts are not in it, and they're only doing it because they need to make money quickly. I hope you can see the difference. If you're curious, you are more likely to come up with interesting solutions, as well as spot potential problems. This leads to you being able to identify greater opportunities. Do you have funds ready to invest? This part is really important. If you want to trade in stock, you need to make sure that you have proper capital. Do you have money to invest now? If not, when will you be ready? Don't expect to hit a home run the first time you step up to the plate and swing the bat. This should be quite obvious. I'm sure the first time you played basketball, you didn't expect that you're going to play like Michael Jordan on the court. Most people don't have that expectation. However, you'd be surprised as to how many people think that just because they're trading in stocks, that their investments are going to be all winners. It doesn't work that way. In many cases, your expectations can end up sabotaging you. So do yourself a big favor and make sure that your expectations are realistic. What is the most realistic expectation you should have? Expect to learn. That is always my mindset, and it has never let me down. You need to set the right expectations. Otherwise, you might become so discouraged by your results that you end up quitting. I'm sure you already know that the only way you can fail is to quit. That's the only
Sample complete. Ready to continue?